belly. I'm sick of wearing it. Doctor! Doctor! My fake belly has a rip on it. This is just so heavy. You know what? I'm done. I'm done wearing it. Crap. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Hey girl. Yeah. No, I'm at the hospital right now. Well, you know, with the fake pregnancy and all that. Well, I'm due for a new belly, and this one is just like terrible. It has a rip in it. It's so heavy. I asked the doctors not to give me a heavy one. It just has to look real. I don't need it to feel real because my husband isn't actually here. So I just need it, you know, I just wear clothes over it so that way it's fine. But he gave me the stupid heavy one that looks more realistic, and it's like, I don't need that. My husband is not here. I just need it to look realistic in photos and for other people to see, you know, with my clothes on. Well, this one literally has like some kind of mark or something. Also, it's like dirty. I don't know. Well, I'm at the hospital because I'm supposed to be getting a new like belly today. But because I'm supposed to upgrade from like my 7-month to my last belly, you know, my biggest one. It's supposed to be way bigger. Of course, he doesn't know. He's overseas. He has no idea. He thinks that I'm actually pregnant. He thinks that we're having a boy. And then, you know, I'm going to get all those benefits when he comes back. No, he's not going to be here during the birth. So I'm going to have a fake birth. Unfortunately, his mom wants to be there. You know, his entire family. So then I have to actually put on a show. So that's what I'm here to talk to the doctor about, too. I'm telling you, this is the place where they, you know, do the fake pregnancies. So many people have gone and done here. Like all the, yes. A lot of people have gone into fake pregnancies here. So it's the perfect spot in case you want to do it to Steven too. Yeah. Oh, when I have, okay, so I'm going to, oh my God. When I have the fake birth and whatnot, yeah. I'm gonna, you know, record a video, and then what am I gonna do with the baby? I'm just gonna have a random baby. I don't know. Am I supposed to know? I'm just gonna have a random baby. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where the baby comes from. I'm not gonna keep it anyways. I'm just sick of this. I feel like I'm actually pregnant at this point because I'm like wearing this thing all the time. I have to wear stupid pregnancy clothes and it's so stupid, so annoying. I hate looking pregnant. I look gross. I look disgusting. Well, I'm doing it because Cole says that he wanted a baby a long time ago. And, you know, once we have a baby, I can divorce him, and then he has to give me his benefits and the money every single month. Yeah. Yes. Hold up. Let me send you the photo of my old belly. Okay. You get it? Yeah, so that's this one, right? And it's so like, it's just so heavy. I don't understand why it's so heavy. He's not gonna know a thing, okay? He's so gullible, he's so stupid. I just want his money, obviously. I'm just gonna move on after this, once I give the birth. He's not even gonna be here on time. He's not supposed to be back for like another month and a half. I'm supposedly due in 3 weeks. That is why I planned it that way, you know, because I knew he wouldn't be back in time. So it'd be easier to fake it. All I do is take a little selfie with the belly, and that's it. The only annoying thing is when his. I'll call you later, girl. My doctor's here. Bye.
How's it going, man?
Hi, doctor.
Oh.
All right. So
you're here for the fake
yes.
belly.
So here I'm doing the fake pregnancy, right?
Yep. And your husband doesn't know about this?
Are you a new doctor or what?
Yeah.
You're a new doctor?
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, so this one that you guys gave me is very faulty, okay? It has a rip in it. It's too heavy for me.
Oh.
And there's a stain on it.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
This one was very expensive. It doesn't even finish flapping all the way.
Yeah. So you lie to people.
Huh?
You lied to people about this fake belly and you want to get it replaced?
Doctor,
yes.
I'm doing the special, treatment, the undercover thing you guys do here. You know about this.
Oh, yes, no, of course.
This is what I came here for.
Okay, well here, what I can do is I could just perform surgery.
Surgery? I'm not doing any real surgery. I'm not actually pregnant.
It's okay here.
No, doctor.
I have all the tools I need.
Oh my God, no! I'm not actually pregnant. Okay?
You don't want to just.
No, I don't. I want to talk about the new belly I'm gonna get. Make sure you get me the one that's not 10 pounds. It doesn't have to look that real. My husband isn't actually with me. Okay, I just need it to look real for a photo. It doesn't have to feel real.
Here, look, I'm looking at your charts here.
Yes.
And it says actually that you need to get.
Oh my God! Get those things.
You need to get one of these.
No! Who are you? What kind of doctor are you? I don't want that. I don't want that.
Here,
I don't want that.
Let me just check. Let me just check on this.
Where's my new belly? Can I get my new belly already?
Yeah, here. Let me just check on this.
Doctor, okay,
Yeah. Oh, yep. There's no baby in there.
I know that. Okay, we're supposed to talk about the fake birth. Okay, so
yeah,
it's supposedly gonna be on May 9th. Okay. So do we have everything prepared for then? Like, are you the one delivering supposedly?
Yeah. No, actually, I will be there. Okay.
Be there?
So yeah, to prime, I have to prime it. And,
I'm not actually giving birth.
Yeah, no, I just have to prime it so it looks real, so that you can trick and lie to your husband and his family.
Okay, first of all, my husband won't be there. So what I need is...
he won't be there.
Yeah,
okay.
So I'm requesting, how much is it to have someone record it?
To record it?
Yes.
Well, yeah, if you want to record it, you can actually pay up front right now.
Well, I need to call my husband because my husband's paying for everything, the medical bills and whatnot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why also.
The fake medical bills, right?
I mean, yeah, but
okay.
They show up. You guys do an excellent job at making it look real. This is an excellent place. I'm gonna leave you guys with the best Yelp review ever.
Oh. Okay.
But anyways, as I was saying, also, is the baby gonna cry? Or is it not gonna cry? Does it cost more to make it cry when it comes out?
Yeah, no, it actually has an upfront fee that you can pay right now. If you want it to cry.
No, I have to call my husband to, for the card and whatnot.
Oh, okay.
So I'll do that when I go up to the dad.
So how long have you been lying to your husband about this?
Lying, the whole pregnancy, I guess. He's so gullible. It's so funny. It's so easy to do it to him because,
And what does he do?
He's in the military. Perfect. He's like, doctor. It's like it works out perfect. I'm sure you get a lot of those. Huh?
He's gone and he's protecting the country.
Yeah, or whatever. He's doing whatever he wants to do.
Yeah.
But it's perfect. Okay. So his mom will be there during the birth. So I need it to look real when I do the birth.
Yeah, well, to make it look real here, I think I'm just going to make a little incision.
No, I'm not pregnant. I don't need an incision. There's no surgery that's going to happen.
It's just a
don't
tiny...
you dare open that.
It's just a tiny
incision. Don't you dare.
Are you sure?
I don't. Doctor, are you new or what?
Am I new?
Look, I just want to give a fake pregnancy to my military husband so I can keep everything. I'm sick of all these people telling me what to do. I just want to get this over with so I can keep the money, divorce them because he's so annoying, and then I don't have to wear this stupid thing. Oh my...
Yeah, you were lying this whole time? No, I came back.
Babe.
I came back.
You came back for me?
No, yeah, to surprise you. And you were lying to me this whole time. This fake belly?
I lost the baby.
No, we're done.
I lost the baby.
No, we're done.
I lost the baby.
You're not getting any of my benefits.